Hello, gang. Okay, that was stupid. Let me restart it. Yo, what's up, gang? What's up, my boys and girls? You know, what's up, gang? Gang. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna start calling you guys at the beginning of all my videos. What's up, gang? We're back at Test Place 200. You know, this is where we record all of our great videos. Ooh, you see this little block right here? It's a group rank door. That's coming out soon. You know, the script's right there. Oh, I'm not gonna spoil it though. You gotta wait for like, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks, and then I'll make the video on it because, yeah, woo. Okay, we'll do that soon though. But yeah, we're back at Test Place 200, and we are finally gonna, like, what we're gonna be doing today is making, this is gonna be where our plane is, right here. So we're gonna get this block right here. We're gonna use that later. All right. So we're gonna be making, let's say, like 3 different ways to make a t-shirt that you can pay for by clicking on it. You know, just 3. Let's try 3 different ways. And I guess it's technically 2, but we don't care about that. Okay. So the first thing you want to do, go to game settings. Boom. Go to I think avatar. Yeah, let's go to avatar. Make sure your avatar is on R6. That's all. Once you're done with your settings there, you want to load up your game. Hell yeah. Let's do this. Load up our game. Alright, gang. So we're in our game now, right? Alright, so you want to go into the workspace, type in your username, find your model, click it, get rid of that little thing, and now you have your character, right? So next thing you want to do is just Control C on your model. Now we're done playing the game until the very end of the video, probably. So now we paste our character back in. Ooh, yikes. Unlock your character and make sure that he is, you know, straight on the ground. You just gotta move him around a little bit like that. Boom! We got a character in. Now the next thing you want to do is go on here, delete all of those, delete your head, delete the animate, keep the humanoid in the root part. And yeah, we can just keep all of this, alright? Alright, so now that we have our model, we want to get the move tool, duplicate it, put it all to the right. So for the first one, we are going to delete the right arm, the torso, and the left arm, alright? For this one, we are going to delete the left leg and the right leg. Boom. So now we have just the torso and just the pants. Alright. So next thing we want to do is name both of these. So for this one, let's get that humanoid root part and let's just move it down. That's fine. Alright. So now that we're done with that, do we need the humanoid root part? I forget. Nah, we don't need it. Make sure both of these are anchored as well. Okay. So now that we have both of these, we want to name them. So let's just call this pants stand. That's fine. And this will be shirt stand. Boom. Magnificent. So we're going to start with the shirt aspect of this. Alright. So we're going to grab our little part boy right here. And we are going to call this click part. Alright. Inside of the click part, we want to add a click detector. Inside of that click detector, we want to add our script, and here is where all the magic happens. I'll zoom in a little bit so that you guys can see. So first, we got to get our variable. So local cd with click detector, local click detector, right? That equals script.parent because the script's parent is the click detector. All right, so now we will need the local marketplace equals game : get service, marketplace service, boom. Now we have the marketplace service, and local players. No, I don't think we need that right now. Okay, let's just divide it up real quick. Boom. Now this is where our script starts. So click detector dot clicked, mouse click : connect function player, right? Let's go to the wiki real quick. Okay, mouse click. Fires when a player... Okay. So it does pass a player variable. See, this wiki is amazing. It's way better than Unity's. So we have the little player parameter right there. So now we do the prompt. I think we can just do prompt purchase. Yeah, prompt purchase. So let's see what the parameters on this one are. Okay, so instance player, number of the asset ID, if purchase, and currency type. Alright, so the instance player and the number of asset ID are all we're gonna need. So prompt purchase, boom. Now we have this one. Here we're just gonna put player, comma. So we have the player instance there, and right here, this is kind of like a retread of the tip jar video. So if you want to get a better explanation of what all this is, go back to the tip jar video, which I'll link in the description so you don't gotta go looking for it. So right here, the player. Now right here, we will need the asset ID of the shirt. So now what we want to do is find a shirt that we want to sell, alright? So let's go to, I'm just going to go to my groups. That looks nice. Kind of reminds me of what I'm wearing right now. So we're going to go here, get the asset ID of whatever shirt you want. And we are going to put it onto the t-shirt. Boom. Easy peasy. Now we go into the script, put that right there. But actually, let's make this a little bit better. Add another variable, local shirt ID equals, put in your variable right there, shirt ID. No. Clothing ID. Clothing ID. Boom. Perfect. Now we have the clothing ID and our player. So that should be working. Maybe we can actually automate this even more. But yeah, now that we have this, we want to drag our click part into our shirt stand. There we go. And we want to just kind of make it the size of the shirt, so that whenever you click the shirt, it lets you buy it. So boom, anchor that, make the transparencies 1, we turn off can collide. Boom, now whenever you click this shirt, you can buy it. So yeah, you know, pretty simple script. Now all we have to do is grab the click part, control copy, put that over here, put it around the pants. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. Okay, for the pants, I'm not going to find a special pair of pants to pay for. So, let's just paste into there. Slide it on in. There we go. Perfect. And now, we just got to change the ID. Let's just go to pants that we already have on. Let's grab that. And go into our click detector, change that, boom. Now this should all be working. We gotta anchor everything because we're awesome like that. Now let's go into the play. Okay, boom, we are now here. Let's collect some cash. Ching! Boom. Now we gotta walk all the way over here to see if our script even works. Click that boy. Ooh, would you like to buy this? Yes, I would. Boom, paid for it. The pants should work as well. Size not currently for sale, yours. Okay, well, I already own it anyways. But, yeah, okay. Because it's the pants I'm wearing currently. But yeah, so boom. We just made our first clothing script for, you know, an easy clothing store. So, if you want to end the video right there, you know, you can. You can just get the shirt. Maybe get the arms and like just size it down a little bit. Hey everyone, so I'm currently editing the video right now, and I just wanted to like tell you guys about a live stream that I'm doing really soon, where I'm going to help you guys script. So if you guys need some like one-on-one scripting stuff, you know, maybe I'll even make a Discord or whatever. It's not fully planned out, but please show up to the stream. I'll have a stream date and time posted on my Twitter pretty soon, so go follow me there. And yeah, So if you guys need any help with scripting, I'm your man. I'm gonna start streaming a lot more, like, often. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that out there for you guys. So yeah, be sure to tune in if you guys need any scripting help, because, you know, I love to script and I love to help other people. So yeah, back to the video. And there you go. Now we have some clothing for you to buy in my game. Boom. Yeah, and you can go and test all these scripts out for yourself, you know, because this game is actually public on my profile, so anyone can go and check out these games and just check out all the scripts that I've been working on recently, you know? You can collect some cash as well, some froth bucks. So, yeah. Now, let's make a different script. Let's just grab the t-shirt, since, you know, that will be fine. Doesn't really matter what we do. So once we grab this, we want to go back into the shirt stand, into the click part, and we're just gonna delete the click detector. Alright, so now we just have this empty click part. What are we gonna do? Well, let's size that down just a wee bit. And we're gonna insert a prompt, a proximity prompt. Boom. This is a new thing that Roblox has. So we're gonna change the action text by shirts. The object text, click E to buy this gray shirt. Boom. Alright, so now we have the proximity prompt. We're going to insert a script. Local proximity prompt equals script.parent. Local marketplace equals game colon get service marketplace service. Local shirt ID equals, and then boom, 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 boom. Now, let's just put 0 for now. So now in here, we can write our script again. So proximity prompt. I don't know why I didn't add a T. That's silly. Okay, prompt dot colon, wait. Okay, I hate whenever Roblox does this. Okay. Proximity prompt dot triggered colon connect function player. Now we can do marketplace colon prompt purchase player comma shirt ID. Now we go to the other shirt. Go into the script in our click part so that we can just, you know, grab our original clothing ID and put that right there. Boom. Now we have the proximity prompt shirt that you can pay for. We're gonna just place that on the right side this time. Oh, another thing that you want to do. Go to the proximity prompt and click requires line of sight. If you have that on, it will mess up the entire thing. Well, it won't mess up the script or anything, but it won't show up 90% of the time if you did it wrong. It's just a weird thing that Roblox has. Just click it off. It's a problem that Bakey's has, so you can't even buy shirts from their store. But yeah, let's test it out, see if it works. Alright, we're in the game. Now let's walk over to our shirts and our pants. Our pants are kind of floating, aren't they? That's a little weird. So we can either click it like that, and it pulls up, or we can click E, and it pops up. Boom. That's how you do the proximity prompt, and that's how you do the clickable t-shirt and clickable pants. So yeah, that's basically how it's done. Let's grab some cash. Boom. Now we can buy ourselves a nice Ferrari or something. I don't know. But yeah, now we can just grab a nice coffee. Just, you know, chill a little bit. Yummy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that this helps you guys start your own clothing stores or whatever. Ooh. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I didn't add in the group ID, so I'm actually not able to go through the store. I should make it kill upon touch. I don't know. Anywho. Yeah, that's just how you do it. So if you guys have any questions for me in the comments, or if I went too fast and You want me to explain it a little bit in the description? I'll do that. I will post this part onto my Roblox profile, so you can go to the description below, and you can use either of these in your scripts. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I will catch you guys in the next video.